Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet flower garland. This is a perfect project for adding a touch of handmade charm to your home decor or even for a special occasion. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, you will find this tutorial easy to follow. Now, grab your yarn and then your hook and then scissor. Tools you have to prepare is yarn, scissor and this hook. This one is 4mm hook and 4-ply yarn. You can make 8-ply yarn. You can choose any kind of yarn to make this, but my suggestion is to choose little yarn because if you make this garland with the help of little yarn, it looks pretty and it looks perfect for your home decor. Now let's get started on creating this lovely and green garland, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video of mine. Let's dive on, guys. Before starting my tutorial, I'm going to give you some little examples. Here you can see I attached this, I decor my room with that flower garland, and you can see it's look very pretty and the room looks very beautiful. It's a decoration, or you can put it in every by your choice, you just put this garland, flower garland, wherever you want, wherever you feel like it's look beautiful. So for me, I attach this yarn here and then it look very beautiful. I hope you guys love it and you will try to make this tutorial. I'm gonna make this more longer because it's very short. I'm just giving you example. Now let's get in the video. I'm gonna show you how to make this super cute little flower garland. First of all, we are going to make slip knot. You can see slip knot and make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then into the 4th stitch 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the 4th stitch make a slip knot. Make a slip knot into the 4th stitches, this, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And after this we are going to make treble crochet 3 times into the circle here. So to make a triple crochet, grab your hooks like this, two times, and then put it into the circle, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and again pull through 2 loops. Again, same process. 1, 2 and 3 times. Again, grab your hook 2 times and then into the circle. Pull up your yarn and pull up 2 chains, pull up 2. So here you just make 3 treble crochets, and now we are just working into this circle. Make a slip knot. When you make one petal, make a slip knot and again make chain 3, 2 and 3, triple crochet, pattern contains just a triple crochet and slip knot, okay? Triple crochet, slip knot and chain 3. Again, pull up 3 yarn, pull up 2, and again pull up 2. And last triple crochets, pull up 2, pull up 2, and 2. Now make a slip knot and chain 3, 2, 3. Again into the circle, make a triple crochet 3 times. We have to make same petals until we reach the 5 petals, okay? We have to make 5 times petals. Just follow the same pattern, make a triple crochets into the same pattern, into the same circle. Again, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, 2, 2, and 2. Now slip knot, and we are going to make chain 3, 1, slip knot, again chain 3, because we just make 4 petals and we are going to make the last one. Chain 3, triple crochet 3 times, same process and slip knot into the circle. And now don't cut the yarn, we are just making 12 chains and continue our work. If you want to make a wall hanging, this is a flower garland and we have to make it more longer. So just add 12 chains here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 chains. Or you can make more chains than mine. You can make 20. You can make any of chains according to your choice. You can make more chains, okay? But if you make any chains, like if you make more than 30 chains or something, you don't have to think how much I have to skip, okay? Just skip like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the 4th, skip 3 chains, and into the 4 chains just make a flower, okay? Here you can see same process, chain 3 and triple crochets into the circle. Look, 3 times into the circle, 3 times chain 3, 3 times triple crochets. Just follow the same pattern until you reach the 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 petals, okay? Again, triple crochets and pull up the yarn, pull through 2 loops, and make a slip knot into the circle, chain 3. Again, triple crochets. Again slip knot, chain 3. We are going to make same process until we reach more larger, until we can decorate it in our wall. Slip knot and chain 3, triple crochet 3 times and chain 3, same process until you reach the 5 petals. Slip knot and chain 3, triple crochet, now make a slip knot, again make a 12 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So continue your pattern, just follow this pattern until you reach the larger, until you reach more flowers. Okay, now I just stop making this pattern because I think it's enough for my room decor. And yeah, you can make it longer than mine, but I'm not gonna make from this. So the result is this. Yeah, you can decorate this garlands like this, and it's look very beautiful. So now I hope that if some of you enjoy making your adorable pretty little flower garlands, I will love to see any that you can make, so feel free to tag me on social media. Happy crocheting, and thank you so much for watching my video. See you in next video guys. Bye bye.